Welcome back, YouTube, to C1C Motors. Today we're going to be working on the race truck. Last minute choice, we decided to take it to a show we have coming up this weekend called Magic Dragon Street Meet. Alright guys, once you guys get the hood open, you don't have to do this, just switch the headlights out. But I'm going to wrap the grill while we're doing the headlights. So you're going to take this protective cover off here. Just get your little interior pry tools. Get you a bucket for all your bolts. These clips, they just pop up. Take this panel off. We're going to set it aside. And that gets us access to the grill, which just should. One thing you guys really need to be when you're like taking the grill out and everything, remember it is an older truck. Get the grill out. We're going to set that aside. So I wiped some water off, guys. Headlights come out super easy. You got little pins right here. Lift up. Just wiggle them. Wiggle free. And then your headlight comes free. Put HIDs on this one already, so we're just going to unscrew the low beam HID here, or excuse me, HID, LED. Twist out the high beam. You got the old headlight out. I ordered new ones off Amazon, so we'll do a quick comparison of crusty, old, new. There's a little push tab on this side right here. You push in, they come out. Alright guys, it might seem like a few minutes for you guys, but I think you'll like the results. So as you can see, I put the new headlights on this side that I got off Amazon. They are black clear, crystal clear is what you want to call. You can see the old cruddy ones. We have LED, high beam, low beam, and I did a little something different right here. I got rid of the DRL, kind of. But get this thing going in here. So you see we turn it on. I hope I don't blind you guys. So you got that, you got the high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam, and then you got the normal blinker, and then over there, as you can see, we're all white, and I went ahead and wired to a full switchback. So, as you can see, major upgrade, or the driver's side, all stock versus the nice, really nice, epic, crystal clear setup over there. Now I'm going to knock out that side real quick, do all the wiring. This video I will show you on this side once I take it apart of how to wire. You'll need switchbacks. You will need a resistor so you don't get hyper flash. As you can tell, it's not hyper flashing. But I'll show you guys in detail how to do that on the driver's side. All right, let me get this set up and we'll get into it. So what I've done is, in typical YouTuber fashion, I forgot to turn the camera on. I've taken the headlight out, taken the turn signal out, the daylight running light, I have actually eliminated it. This truck, you guys got to remember, is going to be a race truck. The harness is going to get chopped up. As much as I hate wiring, big intercooler here and a big single, and we're not going to talk completely about what the drivetrain is, even though I got a pretty good idea. But I laid out the corner lights the way they are. I've snipped. Now we're going to strip all these, and then I'll show you how to wire them up. All right, now you got all the wires stripped. I don't use crimps. I mean, you can wiretap these honestly if you really wanted to. You do need another 3-wire bulb socket and switchbacks. These are just some Amazon switchbacks. The links will be below for everything you see in this video. It does help the channel out, guys. Also, we have stickers now for sale, and I'll put a clip of those in right now. We'll just do a quick bang, bang, bang of what the stickers look like. Subscribe if you guys are still here. Hope you guys enjoy the content. Just so a quick reminder, we do on this channel, we cover semi-truck content, we do car events, car shows, we do a lot of Silverado stuff, a lot of GM's LS stuff. We're going to do this LS turbo truck build. We have a twin turbo C6. We have a new project coming that's diesel powered, also GM. It's a dirty max. We'll just get that out there. That's going to be another big project on the channel coming up. I hope you guys enjoy this content. I enjoy making it for you guys. So consider hitting the subscribe button. It does help keep me motivated and shows YouTube you guys like it. But back to this video about the switchbacks. I'm not going to bore you with an infomercial. So you can see it's pretty much color coordinated. Blue goes with blue, brown goes with brown, black goes with black. Now, to prevent hyper flash, you need to get you a 50 watt 60 ohm? 6 ohm resistor. I think it's 6 ohm. Yeah, 6 ohm. And you're going to wire it into, and like I said, I'm going to solder everything. So some people on YouTube say this is the proper way. Some people say that's a lot of overkill. But you're going to solder your resistor from the blue wire to your black wire. So your hot to your black ground. And that will prevent hyperflash, as you guys saw on that side. But I'm not going to bore you with the soldering. I will tell you what I use is just a traditional soldering iron. Fine. And my best friend here, they're called Helping Hands. Love these things. Definitely got a lot of soldering project. So I'm going to solder all this, get everything in heat shrink, make it all nice, look nice and pretty. No reason to bore you guys with that, and I just want to put some music in the background. So we'll be back after that, and I'll show you the finished product. Soldered and have everything done. You add this in here. Of course, you got blue to blue, black to black. You have your resistor between your blue and your black. This prevents the hyperflash. And then you have your pink or brown to that. Already tested it, it works. This is the proper wiring. So your resistor goes black to blue to keep the hyperflash out of it. The switchbacks work fine. We're gonna get everything buttoned back up. And then that will, we'll get everything buttoned back up and we'll show you guys the aftermath. A lot more videos to come on this truck. But this is the after product. I did wrap the grill shell and the emblem. The grill shell will be painted eventually. The chrome bar will also be painted. It'll be all black. The green emblem's just there for now for the show for this weekend. I was going to wrap the chrome bumper and everything, but it kind of ties together. It's super filthy. We'll be driving in the rain tomorrow. We're going to throw the wheels on and tidy up a few other little things and get this thing going. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Subscribe button over here. Check out the other videos over here and see you guys on the next one.